guys, good morning. Ini ako karon sa Umasa Taba sa Carmen, Davao del Norte. Tungod sa usa ka activities nga giheld diha sa Rich Life International sa ilang grand dancing and Christmas party. So, magkuha kita karon og footage para sa ilang activities. Sa muna ang ilang members o inyong mga distributor sa Rich Life International. Nagkatapok, nagkatigong diha sa Umasa Taba Park sa Carmen, Davao del Norte. Okay, atong tanawon ang view sa maong Umasa Taba. So atong nakita usa ka inyong tangas cottage nga nagpurma og circle. Pwede ka dihang muhigda, magpahuway, samtang nagbuhat sa inyong mga kauban. Hanaw sa itapad na circle nga daw square. Adunay bed sa underneath para makarelax. So, ilang routing, hindi mo sa pugo na may putos na net. So, muna ang function hall sa Umasa Taba Park diha sa Carmen, Davao del Norte. So, ana si Doc Sam na mo'y owner, manager, CEO sa Rich Life International na naghimo sa ilang grand dancing o Christmas party. So, diha ang ilang reception hall. Kung kinsa ka tumabot, mo register aron makakip sa mga aktibidades sama sa mga raffle draws, increase ng paghihimuon na madawat sa mga participant nga naka-register. So, muna ang palibot view sa maong Umasa Taba. So, muna sila ang mga members sa Umasa Rich Life International na niatin sa maong party sa ilang Christmas celebration. So, atong nakita ang ilahang ang atuang CEO sa Rich Life International na naghatag og kalinaw o pahayag o explanation o ayun mga maayo na makuha sa ilahan mga produkto sama sa Brazil, turmeric o sa inyong vitamin C na usap sila is spirulina na ako'y para daghan pa coffee na magamit sa mga nagkalain-lain nga vitamins and minerals nga kinahanglan sa ato ang kalawasan para ma-stay healthy physically, mentally, and spiritually. Ano atong makita ang ilang kalihukan na si Dr. Sam nag-explain kanila na ang maong mga produkto usa sa mga herbal herbs na walay side effects, dili pariha anong synthetic na kung magpataka ka lang ng tumar aduna kini epekto nga makadaot sa imong panglawas. Kung makita ang ilang ingong logo sa Rich Life International. Diya si Doc Sam nagpahayag hatag o kalinaw pasabot sa mga pangayan nga mahibawan sa katawhan nila na sa mga produkto nga mao maghatag og kaayuhan sa mga balatian karon nga motakboy sa katawhan. So guys, ayaw ka makalimot sa pag-subscribe sa akong YouTube channel, likes and share, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified once another video is uploaded. This video is all about herbs medicine na gihimo ni Dr. Sam sa iyang laboratory dinha sa Panabo City. Sabi na siya ikagalingon ng mga aparatos na mohimo sa mga packaging, sa mga inyong quality and quantity of products that being mixed according to them, that one of the product composed of 16 to 17 items which are combined together for one purpose, to have a good result without any disadvantages to the body. So to those who have not yet joined the group, so to those who have not yet joined the group under the umbrella of Red Light International, try to have registered your name so that you can avail any privileges that they are given. So today they give buy one take one, buy two take one to any items or to a selected item as of today. So today you can have you will enjoy the activities, the promos of all the items which are sold for today. So now we can see Dr. Sam is continually explaining to them that the product are good. We have to go back to herbs, which are good enough for us. Portion is another at the back of the function hall, leading to the pan, fish pan, so that whoever wanted to go fishing, they can go fishing. That one beside me is wishing well. Others come in wish before placing any coins inside. Wish that to have longer life, better life, productive life, or many as you wish. With a corresponding amount of money, you have to throw it into the wheel. Axis alley is quite good, filled up with stone or gravity, where even if it is raining, you can still walk the peace pond, where you can see nice and beautiful plants, expensive plants. See the nipa huts. That nipa hut is good for resting place. Now the session is ended. It's time for the lunch. So the participants now are busy taking the intended package for the lunch. Everybody is entitled to have a pack lunch. So that is the pack lunch Christmas celebration of the Rich Life International, headed by the CEO himself, Dr. Sam. So others now are doing to have not congested way. That table is located at the left side of the function hall, where the people or the participant can take the lunch. While other is queuing, other is taking the lunch on different parts of the Rumah Sataba. So there are available tables where you can do your lunch together with your friends or relatives with them. So everybody is not worried because they are counted and they have surplus food to give. No one don't have. Everybody have their own package plans. Fish, vegetable, and chicken. Well balanced, because too much is not good. So the activities for the Christmas party of Rich Life International will resume after lunch at about 1:30 in the afternoon. So the people now are busy picking the lunch. The function hall is quite good, clean and well arranged, and nicely polished. Even though the weather is very hot, the function hall is covered with trees. So still cool at the place, with windy, with winds coming from both direction, giving freshness to all participants. So Rumah Sataba is a nice place to have gatherings, Christmas parties, birthdays, reunions, Uma sa taba is good. We have big wide space that can accommodate hundreds of person. So we will take our lunch while the drone is still taking footage on the said activity. Going to the pan side. So our drone will be landed soon. We are looking for a place to have a secure landing. I am standing on the bridge crossing the fish pond area on the other side. So I am trying to get some views on the pond and have one fern. You see, that is the view for the that is the pond is pond with bridge. So on the other side there are also many huts wherein you can take aways, you can take your lunch, you may be having conversation, something, plan making activities. So thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless everyone.